Sudden snowstorm traps 24 in Uttarakhand. North India faces weather chaos. North India is reeling under a massive spell of snowfall and rain, bringing life to a standstill across multiple states. A powerful western disturbance has triggered heavy snow and rainfall in Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, and even Delhi-NCR. The situation is dire in Uttarakhand's Chamoli, where an avalanche buried 57 men near a highway. While 33 have been rescued, 24 remain trapped under thick snow and rescue operations are ongoing. In Himachal Pradesh, over 580 roads, including 5 national highways, are blocked, cutting off entire regions. Power supplies is severely affected, with over 2,200 transformers down and nearly 280 water supply schemes disrupted. In Kullu, landslides have caused major flooding in marketplaces, resulting in heavy losses. Jammu and Kashmir is also struggling, with the schools shut, board exams postponed, and some areas receiving up to 3 feet of snowfall. Meanwhile, Delhi-NCR experienced light rain, bringing relief after unusually warm February nights. Punjab and Haryana have also seen significant showers, with the districts like Amritsar and Gurdaspur receiving over 20 mm of rain. The extreme weather continues to impact daily life across North India, with authorities issuing warnings and rescue teams working tirelessly.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.